Let's go camping in October, Best Beloved said. It'll be fun, she said. So we pitched our tents, Best Beloved, Jamie and my good self. Ben rocked up in his converted van. Then the storm came. Deep into the long, dark night, it rained. And it rained some more. And it blew. We look forward to it easing off the next day. Happy campers.
Oh yeah.
Waiting for the rain to stop.
We'll be here for days, weeks even.
So we're sat here at base camp waiting for the rain to stop on day one of Outdoor Girl and Lads UK version, The Tent.
Rain, rain, go away.
Deep joy. What a pair of interesting people I share camera with. Utter digital nerds.
Says the one with the camera.
Yeah, but I'm being creative.
Oh, I'm being creative.
What are you doing then?
Finding a new map that works for outside the tent.
Tad muddy here, walking fans, a tad muddy.
I might have a tea actually because I'm not so
Look at that unctuous bovrelness. We're not supposed to use this, but we did.
Oh, aren't you?
Big signs up in the...
Saying what, no gas?
No fire pits.
Is there?
Yeah. But there's nobody here to set on fire, and in any case the bloody rain had put it out, so what's to worry? SWCP revisited. First time I've been back on this stretch since March 2022, and approaching Berry Head and Brixham. Great memories. At this time, not with my normal walking pal, I'm with, in the blue,
Ben Bennett.
in the grey,
Beanie Bennett.
in the red bubble,
Em.
and you can't see it now, but it's a ponytail pensioner, and Boots.
Look at this, Dad.
So these are the cliffs that form a part of Berry Head, which is just over there. Classic Devon cliffs. They're called slope over wall. Magnificent. Just been given a little bit of friendly coast path advice there. Don't go near the edge. Not a fucking chance. Never miss a bit of geology, walking fans. This is the Devonian limestone that makes up Berry Head. Those are edges of beds of limestone dipping at about 45 degrees into the ground, like that. And we're approaching the Napoleonic fort. Berry Head. Berry Head. What head? The lighthouse is behind the toilet block. I don't think it is, but it could be. A lighthouse keeper has his needs, or her needs. So that is the shortest of all the British lighthouses. It's not only is it the shortest, it's the highest on land.
Really?
Yeah, and third of all, it throws the deepest light. So it's the shortest, highest and deepest lighthouse, and I think that is rather splendid. That's the edge of Berry Head, and looking across to the other side of Torbay, and this part of England is known as the English Riviera. Difficult to imagine on a blustery day like this.
Look at that bit of erosion in that rock there.
Yeah,
Almost made a cove.
that's collapsed through, hasn't it? Good to be back on you, SWCP. It's been too long. Great to be back on the mighty southwest coast path, heading down to Brixham. My family have left me behind. Don't blame them. Our quarry. I've always really liked these shelters. Don't ask me why I do, but I just do. They're just brilliant things, because you can sit in it and look out at the sea and it don't cost you a penny. Sholston Pool says thank you indeed. Well, here we go, walking fans. One of my very favourite things, beach huts. Well, great colours here. No yellow, which is a bit of a surprise to me. No yellow at all. Quite a lot of stripy action going on. How brilliant these things are. I adore them. I really do. It's a humble beach hut. These are well tended, beautifully painted. Brixham lifeboat. It's the Brixham Mermaid. There's many a legend about her. We're within about 100 yards of rockfish, but we've got to walk about half a mile to get there. And the bloody harbour. And I'll be frigging in the rigging, lads. Frigging in the rigging. Well, after a little stroll along the South Devon coast, we're in the gorgeous little fishing port of Brixham, and even better, we're approaching the seafood restaurant that is, well, that what I'm looking at back there, that's the fish market. That's where the fish comes in off the boats, off the trawlers, and this is where you can buy them, take away them, sit inside and have a bloody lovely meal. And that, walking fans, is what today's walk's all been about. Follow me. I'm Steve, the ponytail pensioner, on the SWCP again.